Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify the following exponential equations by showing that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side of the equation. In the first example, I'm going to show that 9 to the power of x plus 1 minus 6 times 3 to the power of 2x, all divided by open bracket, root 3, close bracket, to the power of 4x plus 1 is equal to root of 3. The first step is to change all my base into prime factors. So starting with my 9 to the power of x plus 1, I have proven from my left-hand side. Left-hand side, what do I have on my left-hand side? I have a 9 to the power of x plus 1 minus 6 times 3 to the power of 2x, all divided by root of 3 to the power of 4x plus 1. So changing 9 to base of 3, 9 will give us 3 squared because 3 times 3 is 9. I have that to the power of x plus 1 minus 6 times 3 to the power of 2x, all divided by root of 3, close bracket, 4x plus 1. I'm going to further simplify by separating my exponent. So I have 3 to the power of the 2. I was going to multiply all the expression outside. So I have 3 to the power of 2x, that's 2 times x, and plus 2. I still have my minus 6 times 3 to the power of 2x, all divided by, I'm going to change my radical exponent. If I have square root of x, another way of writing this is x to the power of 1 over 2. If I have cube root of x as a radical exponent, that will be x to the power of 1 over 3. So it goes on that way. If I have root to 5 of x is the same as x to the power of 1 over 5. So changing what I have, the root of 3, that will be 3 to the power of 1 over 2 multiplying 4x plus 1. Separating all my terms, I'm going to continue here. I have 3 to the power of 2x, that's applying laws of exponent in a reverse manner. 3 to the power of 2 minus 6 to the times 3 to the power of 2x. I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. Note that for the bottom, what I have here is my half multiplying 4x and 1. If I rewrite that, that will be 2x plus 1 over 2. And if I break that down, it's the same as 2x times 3 to the power of 1 over 2. I got this reverse method from if I have a to the power of x times a to the power of y. Laws of exponent says if the base are the same and you're multiplying or finding the product, then you're going to add the exponent. So now what I've done is working in the reverse. Continuing with my equation, I have at the bottom, I have that as 3 to the power of 2x times 3 to the power of 1 over 2. What you will notice is that for each of the terms represented in this expression, I have 3 to the power of 2x common for each term. So what I'm going to do is to factorize 3 to the power of 2x. That will be equal to, so for my numerator, I'm taking out 3 to the power of 2x. What I'm left with, 3 squared minus 6. And at the bottom, I'm going to do the same. 3 to the power of 2x. I'm left with 3 to the power of 1 over 2. So therefore, my 3 to the power of 2x cancels out, divides each other. What I have at the top will be 3 squared minus 6, that's 9, minus 6 over 3 over 1 over 2. 9 minus 6, that's 3, divided by 3 1 over 2. And applying laws of exponent, I have that as 3. There's an invisible 1 here. So I have, because I'm dividing, I'm going to subtract the powers because the base are the same. And that's the same as 3 to the power of 1 over 2, which is also the same as root of 3. And you can see that my left hand side is equal to my right hand side as given in the question. Let's check the second example. For the second part of the question, I'm to show that open brackets root 3 close bracket to the power of minus 2x plus 4 times 3 to the power of 1 minus x is equal to 13 over 3x. So in this case, I'm going to be proving from my left hand side. And what I will have is root of 3 to the power of minus 2x plus 4 times 3 to the power of 1 minus x will give us, going to simplify, changing my root 3 radical exponent. I have that as 3 to the power of 1 over 2 close bracket minus 2x plus 4 times 3 1 over 1 minus x. That will be simplifying. I have my half multiplying the term outside. That will be half times 2, that's minus x. So I have 3 to the power of minus x plus 4 times, I'm going to split that up, 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of minus x. We have two terms here, and if you observe, I have 3 to the power of minus x common to both terms. So that's the common factor, which I'm going to factorize. So taking out my 3 to the power of minus x, on my left hand side I'm left with 1 plus, on my right hand side I'm left with 4 times 3, which is 12. And that will give us 3 to the power of minus x times 1 plus 12, 13. To make a negative exponent positive, I'll turn it into a fraction. If I have 8 to the power of minus x, to make it a positive exponent, that will be a 1 over 8 to the power of positive x. So changing my 3 minus x into a positive exponent, I would have 13 over 3 to the power of positive x. Therefore, you can see that my left hand side is equal to my right hand side. Thanks for watching. Bye.